Atlas Pro Autonomous Drone Unboxing. The Atlas Pro drone comes in a rugged, weather-sealed polycarbonate case, which has an automatic pressure system which makes it safe for travel in planes. The case also has wheels and 3 handles for easy carrying. The box contains 1 Atlas Pro drone, 2 intelligent flight batteries, a charger, 1 of 2 different payloads, the ground station, instruction manual, and repair kit. The Atlas Pro drone is the perfect working tool for a variety of industries, including inspection, emergency, security, and agriculture. Atlas Pro.